You are not enough. At least, that's what the voice inside your head keeps whispering. It's the silent saboteur that tells you to delay that message, to rewrite the same sentence 10 times, to cancel the plan that could change your life. But listen carefully. That voice is not your enemy. It is your greatest lie. And when you stop trying to fight it, you begin to master it. This is the Stoic way. Today, we're not just talking about philosophy. You're about to learn 15 precise, practical Stoic practices to turn that inner critic into your strongest source of confidence. Let's begin.
Your inner critic wears a disguise. It pretends to be realistic, but in truth, it's fear, wearing the mask of wisdom. It tells you, you'll fail. You don't deserve this. You're not ready. But here's what the Stoics knew. You can't win a battle with a shadow you can't see. Start by recognizing its voice. When you hear that whisper, don't obey it. Observe it. Name it. The moment you see the critic clearly, it begins to lose its power. We're going to turn ancient Stoic wisdom into modern action. Now, let's turn philosophy into practice. These are the 15 Stoic principles that will reshape how you think, act, and face yourself every single day.
The control check. Ask yourself, is this within my control? If it's someone's opinion, the past, or the outcome, release it. Freedom begins where control ends. Visualize the worst. This isn't pessimism, it's preparation. The Stoics called it premeditatio malorum. When the critic says, "You'll fail," you imagine failure and realize you can handle it. Fear loses its teeth when you face it directly. Love the obstacle. This is amor fati, the love of fate. When life hurts, say, "This pain will teach me," because every obstacle is a lesson in disguise. Theory means nothing without training. Let's step into the trenches, the daily battlefield of the mind. The fear dump. Each morning, write down every fear, every self-judgment. You'll see how 90% of them are illusions. Journaling is mental surgery. The accountability review. At night, ask yourself, what did I control today, and what controlled me? Growth begins with honest self-audit. The cosmic perspective. The Stoics called it the view from above. Visualize your life from space. See how small today's worries really are. Infinity silences judgment. The thank you whisper. When something frustrates you, whisper, "Thank you." Gratitude transforms resistance into wisdom. Willpower training. Expose yourself to small discomforts, cold showers, hard tasks. If you can stay calm under discomfort, you'll stay unshaken under pressure. Silence for clarity. Spend 1 hour a day without noise, no phone, no distractions. In silence, you'll hear your real thoughts, not the world's confusion. The daily anchor. Every morning, read one line from Marcus Aurelius. Let his words ground you before the day begins. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Now, let's take it deeper, because the true victory isn't killing the inner critic, it's transforming it. The learning refusal. When your mind says, "I'm not ready," answer, "Good,
That means I'm learning. The growth mindset. When it whispers, I'm not enough, say, perfect. That means I'm growing. The action bias. When it says, I can't, respond, then I'll try anyway. Action is the antidote to doubt. The fuel switch. Don't fight fear, convert it. Fear is just energy waiting to be redirected toward growth. The 1 week challenge. Pick one of these practices, just one. Commit for 7 days. Watch how your mind begins to shift, from chaos to clarity, from self-doubt to self-discipline.
Your inner critic will never truly disappear. But with these Stoic practices, it becomes quieter, wiser, a companion instead of an enemy. Confidence is not the absence of fear. It is the calm that comes when you've trained your mind to face fear without flinching. That voice inside your head, it's still there, but now it speaks your truth. So, which practice will you start with today? Share it in the comments below. Because when you share your progress, you help others rise with you. If this message resonated with you, subscribe and share it with someone who needs this reminder. Because wisdom, when shared, is unstoppable.